latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Amid heavy rainfall in Mumbai, 2 buildings collapse incidents were reported from 2 different areas in the city. The building collapses took place at Fort Area and Malad in Mumbai. 6 people were killed and more than 16 people were injured in the 2 incidents. A 6-story Bhanushali building in Fort Area collapsed in Mumbai on the 16th of July. 4 people lost their lives in the building collapse that took place in Fort Area. 3 of a family were among the 4 who lost their lives in the building collapse. While 3 people suffered grievous injuries, 15 others were rescued from the debris. NDRF personnel rushed to the spot and a massive rescue operation was initiated. As many as 8 fire engines, 2 rescue vans and 10 ambulances are on the spot along with 6 JCBs and 50 labourers to clear the debris. The rescue operation was undertaken amid continuous rainfall in Mumbai. The Mumbai Fire Brigade was called in for more help as several people were trapped in the debris. Upon arrival, the Mumbai Fire Department learned that half portion of the ground floor and the upper 5 floors of the building had collapsed. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray visited Fort Area to review the ground situation. Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh, Mumbai Municipal Commissioner IS Chahal accompanied Uddhav Thackeray.
Chief Minister Uddhav Balasaheb Thackeray visited the site of the collapsed building in Fort Mumbai to take stock of the situation and assess rescue operations being carried out.
The British-era building is owned by a private party. The Bhanushali building has 40 tenanted commercial and residential premises. The building was in a dilapidated state and tenants had decided to repair the structure. The plan to fix the building was delayed due to the coronavirus pandemic. One of the shopkeepers of Bhanushali building said the structure had begun to shake in the afternoon.
Around noon, the building started shaking and some residents rushed out before part of it collapsed. But many got trapped inside. We could not redevelop the building as we are surrounded by heritage buildings. So we had opted for repairs, but the plan got delayed due to the COVID-19 lockdown.
According to reports, the landlord will now decide on whether to pull down the structure immediately or repair it. The second building collapse incident on Thursday was in Malad suburb of Mumbai. 2 people died during the building collapse and 2 others were injured. Another incident of building collapse was reported in Grant Road in Mumbai on Wednesday. 2 persons suffered minor injuries and 5 others were rescued after a portion of an old building collapsed at Grant Road. Heavy rains in Mumbai over the last week have wreaked havoc. Mumbai has been witnessing very heavy rainfall since Tuesday night and situation is worsening. Roads have been completely waterlogged, making it difficult for people's movement. The Indian Meteorological Department has predicted heavy rainfall in Mumbai for another day.